Okay, so I'm going to start with the darker color, this fine pumice gel, which I had shown you on here, turns a dark color. When I put it on the sand, it doesn't look dark at all, does it? So I'm going to put that right over this sandy area. And it actually is rough, like sand. It has a really cool finish to it, or texture. It's not a flat paint at all. So these gels almost all have textures. Okay, on top of that, I'm going to use some of that black mica. And that will really give some dark areas on top of the paint. Let's see, what did I do with the black mica? Here it is. Black mica flake, it's called, small. Comes out looking sort of gray. But again, the gel medium that that is in here will dry clear, and all you'll be left with is black flakes.